Hello my little witchlings, and today we are going to be unboxing Boxy Charm for the month of October. So I got my Boxy Charm in the mail, and there it is. I love Boxy Charm. I have said that I don't know how many times. To me, this is the best subscription service for your money. And I know for a fact that this box right here does retail with everything included for $120. And how much did we pay for it? 20 bucks or $21. So, and I know they are upgrading to another box. It's a little bit bigger than this one, and that one will be $35 a month, and we still have Boxy Lux, which is $50 a month. But let's get into this one because I'm excited, and the stuff in there is absolutely amazing. So when you open it up, it says Hello Charmer, and they usually always say Hello Charmer. And here you go, and this is what it looks like when you open it, and here is some of the products that are inside of it. So, and I do have variation number 17, so let's just leave that there so you guys can see it. And this month it is called After Dark, and that is for October. I'm sure that's pretty sure for Halloween. So, I'm very excited. So the first thing I see in this box is a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. There was many variations for this palette, and I am very excited that I got this one because this is the one that I wanted. And it says this 5-pan mini eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. And this MSRP is for $32. So let's open this up. And this is what the package looks like. It's very pretty. It's very slim. So you could take this for travel. So, and those are the shadows right there. Aren't they beautiful? And let's do some swatches of it. And here we go. There's one. So that's like the black one. And they're very like buttery, and they're very, very pretty. So I love them. I think they are gorgeous. They are going to be looking beautiful. You can make a beautiful and stunning eye look with this. And let me know what eyeshadow palette you guys got, because I know there's a brown palette and I think there's a blue palette. So I'm very curious to see what you guys got as well. Next, we have the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. This Prep Set Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties, and you can see that too, like when you shake it. Isn't that neat? Look how beautiful that is. That leaves the skin with iconic glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. And just something to sparkle you up a little bit. I'm going to be looking at this bottle all day and just be mesmerized by it because it's absolutely gorgeous. So, and this MSRP is for $26. And next we have the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, and there it is right there. Achieve effortless tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or a pencil, and this MSRP's for $16. And there it is right there, and there's the tip. So it's definitely gonna be nice. I'm still using my, let's see, the brow gel that we got in another Boxy, and I'm loving this, but the color is like so light brown for me. Let's see if it will focus. And there it goes. And then see what next we have, this iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss right there. And that is the color. Let's see if we can do a little swatcheroo. And there you go. It is very pretty. see. And this is the iconic lip plumping glossers are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping powder. The High Shine formula is infused with biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and volumizing looking lips. So that would be pretty. I always want to see. I'm gonna give this a little test. It has like a licorice smell to it. It's not bad. I hate so much a sticky lip gloss because like then my hair gets into it, and no, I can't do that. Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner, and that is it right there. And there is the tip of it, and let's do a little. Oh, that is nice. Right there. So I love myself a sharp pencil, and especially one that I can sharpen myself. It's very hypergenic, and they go a long ways. And this retails for $7. Line your eyes with a rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. So I do think that was very smooth and it looked really good. So I'm pretty sure you could do some very good precise eye looks with this too. So let's recap everything we got in the box. We got the Prep Set Glow from Iconic, the one that's gonna mesmerize you all day long. We got the Dose of Color Blushing Berries. We got the eyeliner. We got the Iconic lip gloss. We also got the Mellow tinted brow gel. So that is not bad at all for $21. And like I said in the beginning of the video, the MSRP on the whole box is $120. So you just got $100 worth of product for 21 bucks. So I can't complain. This is why I say I absolutely love Boxycharm. I could cut out every other subscription box that has to do with makeup and just stick to this and have such a huge collection of makeup. And that's half my problem is I have way too much makeup for one person. So, and it just keeps, you know, I keep collecting it and collecting it and collecting it, but I love it so much. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you will be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.